Students of the primary school in Korgaon marked Environment Day by organizing an awareness rally to promote the importance of protecting the environment. Carrying placards and raising slogans, the children spread the message of environmental conservation among local residents. The rally aimed to encourage the community to adopt eco-friendly practices and work collectively towards preserving nature. Teachers and school staff also participated, highlighting the importance of instilling environmental responsibility in children from a young age.
झाडे लावा झाडे जगवा झाडे लावा झाडे जगवा झाडे लावा झाडे जगवा झाडे लावा झाडे जगवा प्रत्येकाने एक झाड लावू पृथ्वीला हिरवेगार बनवू प्रत्येकाने एक झाड लावू पृथ्वीला हिरवेगार बनवू Safety, save us! Safety, save